Guys, so right now, you guys, we are going to Chuck Show. Talk to you guys when we are done Chuck Show. What are you catching?
I got it.
What did you get?
I need more. I need to get more mouse.
She wants to get a pet mouse. So she's trying to catch them with the net, but then now she's packing flowers. Picking flowers, not packing.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
Hey, Grace, are we gonna cross the road?
More dust?
More. More. It's
So
Now
many?
you're on somebody's yard.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
At the park, you guys. Silas is walking. Where are you walking to? Woo! And then
My body is hurting me.
Gracie's over there.
Hi.
You trying to do this? What are you trying to do, mister? You trying to figure this out?
Well, we had a successful bath,
And she passed out.
and I'm so stuck. This is her feet. Just I'll cover her up a bit. But is she covered?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, yeah,
She kind of passed out.
she passed out on me. Just like this, though.
So, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please do give it a big thumbs up. Good night.